Hello, what is your name?
My name is Sonalyn Gadong.
How old are you?
I'm 37 years old.
What is your religion?
I'm a Christian.
Are you married?
Yes.
Do you have kids?
I have a 3 kids.
How many kids you have?
3 kids.
How old are they?
The small is 8, second 9, and 13.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
6 years. 6 years.
Okay, do you have any working experience in other countries?
Yes.
Where?
In Dubai.
How many years?
2 years.
Okay, so how long you been working with your previous employer?
1 year 4 months.
Okay, what's your employer living in?
In Lampin.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
900.
How many family member there?
4.
How many children?
2.
How old are they?
8 and 9.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning 5:45.
Mm-hmm.
I prepare breakfast for them. After
Mhm.
that one, and I send to the school.
Okay.
After come back, marketing, cleaning,
Mm-hmm.
washing,
Okay.
and cooking for lunch,
Mm-hmm.
and send to school.
Mm-hmm.
And 2 p.m. I pick up them in the school. Come back again. We have another tutor.
Okay.
Yes.
Mhm.
Then cooking for dinner.
Okay, so what time you cook for the dinner?
6:30.
Okay, what time they eat?
7:30.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
11:30.
Okay, thank you so much.